Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Metal.tv laggy or choppy clips. So first thing what you need to do here, you need to press on the settings that is on the bottom left, then you need to go to quality. And then the first reason why your clips is lagging or choppy is because CPU is selected over GPU. So look for here in the video encoder and make sure that not CPU is selected if a GPU is available. Select your right GPU and then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then what I suggest to do here is to decrease resolution and FPS of your recordings. So, for example, if I'm lagging on high resolution, I will set it to medium, and then maybe I drop my FPS a bit, right? And also bitrate as well. And then look if the problem persists after you drop the resolution, FPS, and the bitrate. Still, if your clips is lagging, then go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, go to advanced graphic settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is off. And if you use Discord, turn off GPU hardware accelerated GPU on Discord as well, and it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.